Welcome back to Country Cow Designs. I'm Jo. I hope you've all been enjoying our pattern challenge every month. So we're into September. This is the 9th month. This is the pattern that we're going to be making. So it's different. We haven't done a wallet yet. So we've only done bags so far, but you know we like to bring you something slightly different every month. This is the wallet that we're going to be making this month. And this is the Rozy wallet by Serial Bagmakers. So we also have some paper patterns, which is really cool because we're friends with Anne, who runs Serial Bagmakers. So she sent these over for us. She is a designer based in Belgium, and she runs Serial Bagmakers and also Zipper Zoo. So if you're in Europe, check her out because she has got some awesome bag making supplies for Europe. So this is the pattern that we're making. You can see that it requires a little bit of hardware. Just this bar clasp. So this is a 7.5 inch clasp. The pattern also allows you to use an 8 inch and I think it's a 4.5 inch for the mini version. So you do have options, but this is the bar that we're going to be stocking here at Country Cow. We've also got some rainbow ones, some black ones and some silver, and I think we've got rose gold too. So it just opens up like this, and inside you've got clear ID pockets. You've got loads and loads of card slots and slip pockets and a coin pocket, everything that you could want. Shall I also show you how a phone fits into it? So it just about squeezes. It's a little bit of a squeeze, but it does fit. So that's always quite handy. So that's September's pattern challenge. That is the Rozy wallet by Serial Bagmakers. I hope you all got a chance to make last month. Last month we were making the Datham sling. This is one of our own patterns here at Country Cow Designs. So the Datham sling, if you haven't finished yours yet, don't let it stop you from posting. We've still got people posting their bags from the January challenge, so don't worry, we don't mind. If you've not joined the pattern challenge already, you can join us. All you have to do is join the Facebook group. Every month we tell you what pattern we're doing. We do some kits if you want to use them, or you can use your own stash. And you just get the pattern directly from the designer. So it's really simple, really straightforward. So can't wait to see what you make in September. This, by the way, is super quick to make. I usually avoid wallets because of, you know, you have to interface the fabric differently, but it's just so worth the time. Go for it. So what else have we got going on this month? We are scheduling an open day for our shop here in Cornwall in the UK. So if you are in the UK, we're going to be doing an open day, sort of like crafty weekend on the 1st of November. We're hopefully getting loads of like the businesses around us to do little workshops. So if all goes to plan, there'll be a bag making workshop, pottery, something to do with floristry or plants, chocolate making, loads of random stuff. So if you're a crafty person, this is the weekend for you. We're going to make it loads of fun. We're going to have loads of demonstrations on bag making, how to set rivets, how to use hump jumpers, how to use oilskin, loads of different stuff. So yeah, if you fancy a crafty weekend in Cornwall, I'm not going to guarantee that it's going to be good weather. It is November. It might be wet. It might be windy, but we're going to have loads of fun stuff on. We're going to have goodie bags. We're going to have special discounts and exclusive products and stuff like that. So it's a great weekend if you're into bag making. On a separate note, as well as the new wallet closures, we also have a new item that we're stocking, which is plastic hardware. So most of you absolutely love our metal hardware and we always try to get the best quality, but we just wanted to give you an alternative. Plastic hardware is a lot cheaper, and if you're making a bag that's going to get like really salty, it can be a good option. You know, if you're making like a sea bag that you take with your wetsuit in to go surfing, that's what I do, then that is a great option. So there's loads of different things on the website. I think there's D-rings, strap sliders, rectangle rings, hooks, strap keepers, different things like that. So just check out the plastic hardware section of our website and you can have a look at what we've got on there. Also coming up, 1st of October, we have the Bag of the Month Club pattern. It's super secret. I can't tell you what it is, but it is an advanced pattern. So if you haven't joined the Bag of the Month Club before, they do like these quarterly challenges, I suppose. And it's 3 months. It's a beginner pattern, an intermediate and an advanced. Totally brand new patterns, ones that you can't access any time before that. And this quarter, it has been Bagstock Designs who did the July pattern. No, wait, August pattern. Uh-oh Creations is doing the September pattern, and we at Country Cow Designs are doing the October pattern. So check out the Bag of the Month Club. It is quite fun if you're up for a challenge, and it's got a really supportive Facebook group, so that's a lot of fun. In the meantime, I've been working on another pattern, and that is another sling bag, but something a little bit different. So we're going for like a hiking theme with this. You might be able to tell. So this is a totally different type of sling bag. It's got an adjustable bottle pocket on the front. You can fit a massive bottle in there. This, I think, is over 10 inches tall. So this is the full size pattern, and I will just show you what it looks like on. So I've gone big on this bag. I've gone really big because that way it will fit everybody. And then if you want to make a smaller version, it's really easy to scale down. And the pattern includes like little extra steps on, you know, if you're scaling, make sure you change this size or don't change this. So here's an example of the pattern at 90%. It's got a foam back. So 90% I find is really good for me. I think if I was making it for a kid, I'd go down to 80%. So you just print the pattern at a different size, and it's pretty straightforward. So it's a lot of fun to make. It comes together really quick. This is going to be an intermediate pattern. I'm kind of debating whether it could even be an ambitious beginner, but I think I'm going to go with intermediate. So that's the bottles thing. Keep an eye out for that. We don't know when we're going to be releasing this pattern, but sometime soon. Let's go with that. Okay, so we've got a lot of questions about US and EU orders at the moment. Right now we can ship to the EU. If you are wanting to buy hardware or fabrics or anything like that, we can ship to the EU, but we have to do it through our Etsy shop right now. So I will make sure the link for that is in the video. If you're one of our customers and you're in the US, we are just waiting for the new Royal Mail and USPS tariff system to come into effect. Once that's ready, we can install it on our website. That will take a little while. And then we're going to be back to shipping to the US. There will be tariffs to pay, but it will all be payable at checkout, so you'll know what it's going to cost you. You're not going to get a surprise bill. So we are working on all of that because we really want to resume shipping to the US as soon as possible. If you're elsewhere, Canada, Norway, New Zealand, Australia, we're still just shipping as normal, no problem. So you can just check out on the website as you usually would. So I think that's everything I wanted to cover in today's update. I really hope you're going to join us for making the pattern this month. This was my like tester one, but this is the one I'm going to make during the month as well. I just haven't decided which color bar I'm going for yet. But I thought I'd go for something totally different. If you want one of the kits, this is the kit that we're sending. It's going to have extra fabric, so you can do the checkered fabric as like a diagonal if you want, and you can use a choice of fabrics on the inside. So there will be a bit extra. I think it's really, really classy looking finish. So I hope you will join us either way, whether you get the kit or not. And soon I will be hopefully introducing you to one of our new patterns. So keep an eye out on the channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.